便是西天. It is the Western paradise. Look what's inside of this hall. This is rare in China, not in Shanxi province, but in China. Hanging sculptures. Everything, the building and all the sculptures was made in Ming Dynasty, 1538. So in this Western paradise, we see guardians, arhats, bodhisattvas, and a Buddha behind, and Amitabha sitting in the celestial palaces, and a laughing Buddha, the happy Buddha, smiling Buddha up there. It's future Buddha. He will be the future Buddha. Fantastic art. You can see all the beams are painted, richly painted. They still have some color left. Guan Yin, we have seen her many times in Chinese temples. She's the most merciful, compassionate bodhisattva in Chinese Buddhism. So people would come to her and pray in front of her for any kind of help. And she is riding on a divine animal called a Chao Tianhou. It's imaginary, it's not in real life, I believe. And then it's a lotus throne. The celestial palace. Amitabha, Guan Yin. This kind of architecture called Bajiao Tuandian. It's a tented roof. You can see that with a gourd on the top of the roof. It's basically a pavilion with walls. So it's unique. You know, Tang Dynasty in China is always considered as the most powerful and prosperous golden age in history of China. So they built everything and very decorative. Even on this pavilion, you see the jewels inlaid on those beams and pillars. Zhu Que, a million bird of the south. In Chinese belief, he is the guardian in the south direction. This is another very beautiful platform. This is the view. I'm now in the upper temple. The entire upper temple was destroyed in history, so everything was rebuilt according to the Tang Dynasty statues or temples. In Tang Dynasty, a lot of red colors was used, and known for the huge brackets and a stretching eave. I am on very top of the peak. Wangduge, the capital, viewing the capital tower. Most Chinese don't even know that Taiyuan was served as the northern capital for Tang Dynasty. So in Tang, there were 3 capital cities: Xi'an, Luoyang, and Taiyuan. This is where the Tang Dynasty, journey of the Tang Dynasty started. I believe it's new, but it's nice wood carving. Maitreya, the future Buddha, is looking down on Taiyuan city, so protecting the people of Taiyuan. You could imagine how beautiful and lush this will be. The surrounding area will be in summer season. That's the city of Taiyuan. You see a big water. That's the Jinyang Lake. That building, three dome building is the botanical garden of Taiyuan.